First, I will explain loop, then I will go for switch. What is loop in a VBA? How many types of loops are there? For next loop. For next loop, allowed to loop through a list of numbers and a collection of objects. This
Yes.
object includes cell range, worksheet, workbook, shapes, or other object on sheet. By looping through a range of cell, the same task is performed for every cell specified in the loop. In the for next loop, the starting and ending numbers need to be mentioned. With for next loop, the block of code is executed for a specific number of time. Hence, this loop must be used when a number of iteration to be performed is known in advance. Hmm? Whatever we have written inside the loop, it will execute n number of time. Right? Suppose mainly yesterday only we used, right? In array we have used, right? Yeah. Array how where is that example? See here, to print the array number we have used, right? Loop. Like for next loop usually we'll say for loop only.
Yes.
Suppose I'm telling you here in the alternative column
Mm.
row, I want to give number incrementing 2222. How will you write? Can you say up to 100 column?
It
I'm
will
telling
be, yeah.
in column F,
Mm-hmm.
alternative column. Here I want two, here I need four, like that I need. Here I need six, like that I want to print. Leaving one in between. First you have to select that sheet. Okay, that
Yeah.
statement I will. First you have to select this raw data by calling its name, right? I have refer right this workbook dot
Yes.
worksheet dot raw data. Like that we
Okay.
have to write. Active sheet means that time which sheet got active, that will get selected. Maybe
Yes.
that sheet is not our requirement, right?
Mm-hmm.
Some
This
people will
workbook
do some
dot
other tasks means dot
dot.
column. Column also simply we can refer. Column 6 if you want means you can write column 6 also. Yeah. Like that option also there. Otherwise we can write row means rows 2. Like that also you can write. There is
Yeah.
option like that. Okay. So column 6. So first what we will do set it to a workbook. That is the first step. Active sheet you should not use at all. Okay. While
Yes.
selecting something yesterday, what we have done, creating one new sheet, that time it will get active. That time it is okay. But this time and all you should not use active sheet, active workbook and all. Always use this workbook. Okay. After that, what will you do? Here we have already written na I is equal
Okay.
to 0 to 20. W dot RAN range. Here column I need it in column 6 only, right? So column number is 6, row number is I, column
Mm.
number is 6, right? See here the loop starting from not I, okay. In Excel, the index always starting from 1, right? Array index start from 0. That's it. Here and all it is our wish. So W dot range.
Mm.
Here what which column? Column 6, right? Ah. So row according to I value it should increase, right? Getting? Huh? According to this I value, first it will be 1, 1 comma 6. So
Mm-hmm.
that column I am assigning. I said you to assign 2, right?
Yes.
2, 4 like that. Huh? Yeah, so 2. So I come second one I will become 2 here.
Mm-hmm.
Then 2. I said you alternative column. I don't want to continuously do. I need it in alternative column. That time how will you write the logic? See this one not here we cannot select the range. Here only we have to give w dot range equal to 2. Why it's coming? Application defined error it is coming. Here range we should not write na. Here cells. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Range means what will give like A1, B1 like that, right? Okay. So here I will give one breakpoint and do F5. So here all the column it got executed 2. See, now also 2 only got executed. Here because I have written 2, right? Here I have
Yeah.
to write that
Can
also
we
you
do?
do. Otherwise simply 1 also we can write, right? Simply I also we can write, right?
Yeah. Let's answer that.
Now it came odd
One.
number. Odd
Yeah.
number. Yeah. So alternative column like it start from 1 no?
One.
So 1 3 like that. If you want to do it odd means either we can start index from 2. If you want to start index from 1 means like what you said na.
Yes.
Right. Delete. It will not delete the data na. Okay. See, so it
Yes.
got
Yes.
executed. But first row it kept blank because here also we have written 2,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes.
Otherwise, if you can, if you want to start from first itself, you can use like this, like what you said, na count equal to 1, count. Otherwise, outside we can write count is equal to 1, count equal to 2 because each time the initial value only we are incrementing na. After that just count plus 2, right? Count plus 2 for 0 2 4 like that it will. I did into 2, okay, just for practice. First I will delete it. Everywhere it got 4 because did count is equal to 0. This is equal to count into. Count is equal. Here again we can write into 1 also.
Okay.
Into I. Okay.
Mm.
Now you can see the difference. According to the logic, we have to change. That's it. Hmm?
Okay.
See, 4, 4 into 3, 12 into 5, 7, like that it is coming. Because I'm in doing I,
Mhm.
right?
Yes.
Like that. Otherwise, what you can do means this statement inside here you can write. Count outside also we can write.
Okay.
After that,
Mhm.
count is equal to count plus 2 you can write. Plus is not working, yeah. Don't know, my key is not working. Plus, and that shift key is not working for me. Count is
It's
equal to count plus 2.
mhm.
Now it will work our requirement. See, then I started from. See, this count is equal to count plus 2. Before
Yes.
writing, I have written. To start from 2, I should write it after writing. Now it will start from 2. Because previously I am writing, I am incrementing, then I am writing. First I
Yes.
should write, then I should increment, right? See, correct, no? 2, 4, 6. Here, if you want it as a odd number, just count is equal to 1 we can write. And execute. No, I have not deleted the old. Okay. See, 135. Right. Uh, like that only we have to. Logic is our own. Okay. According to requirement, we have to study building up our logic. So what some common programs and all will be there, right? Like finding, writing multiplication table, writing
Yes.
prime number, like that you can practice so you can build your logics.
Okay.
Understand? See, example 2 is for each loop.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
See, sub, hide all sheet. So, what is the object actually? Like we are defining Microsoft Outlook to VBA program, right? That time VBA program is an object, right? Like that. It is always preferred to use this workbook. Sometimes they may use active worksheet also. Why no? While suppose if you want to, this sheet is selected, and
Mm.
if you are now executing this one, but we want this raw data only. That time when you write active workbook, automatically active workbook only the data will get saved, right? Suppose in this example, if you are
As
not
a
selected this one, but here I see in this statement which name you are not given, not given, na, simply using active workbook dot,
active work.
right? Then with where is the name? Where you are
नहीं है
giving name? Huh,
नहीं है
active work means current active workbook. Suppose here so many sheets are open. So some other sheet also Excel open. If you are, suppose this sheet is not selected while some user will be executing your program. That some other Excel open means it will select automatically that one. It's not
okay
necessary that it should select this workbook only.
okay
Understood?
yes
So we are defining WS as worksheet. For each WS in this workbook dot worksheet, WS dot name is equal to main, then W visible Excel very hidden. What is mean by that? Here suppose any this sheet name I will write
hmm.
main main.
Hmm.
So Excel very hidden means yesterday I explained na what is the function of very hidden. If you simply hide means the user can see. Right
yes
click and see it. If you
yes
do very hidden means user cannot see it here.
see it yes
Only the programming logic go and very hidden then only we can see it. Understood? So some sheet may be see if it is there means if condition is true so it got inside and got very hidden. Now you cannot see that sheet. Huh? Here what it is? MAIN only, no? Right. Here we can see this sheet, no?
yes
Excel sheet WS dot visible very hidden. Only three sheets are there, right? Then why it's not going? Something wrong. Now also we can see it, no? Wait, we will see. What is WS dot name now? Dot name. It is first sheet now. Okay, not equal to main I am given. Sorry. See here the symbol. Remaining all the sheet will get hidden. Got it? See now. Except main, all sheet got hidden. Understood? I
yes
see, did not see the symbol actually. Hmm? Now I want to visible, right? Excel. What is that visible? I don't know. Okay, Excel visible. That is not a valid. I cannot remember. Okay. Let me see here. What is that option? Excel? Excel sheet visible. Okay. It is now simply Excel visible. Excel sheet visible. Now everything got enabled, right? Here I have again written Excel sheet visible. Understood how we are looping through all the sheet in a name, all the
Yes.
sheet. So this object is like this workbook dot sheet means all the sheet in this will come.
Yes.
Suppose if you want to go for all the range, all the range also it is possible. Suppose if you are given some range and go to each range, that how will you do? Can you, if you understood this means you can say for each, here we can write, suppose one more variable I will declare for each range one in this workbook, this worksheet. How will you give two range? Suppose I want to print my data from A1 to D10. Okay. Next, next RANG1. Here I'm written range 1, right? Dot value equal to, I'm just assigning 10. So what will you do? Initially it will be script out of range. See here I have written wrong. After worksheet I have to write uh, worksheets dot uh, here range is not coming. Yeah, cells I can write, but worksheets it should come na. Why the range is not coming? Cells is there. I cannot see even cells also. This option we should see, right? See, worksheet name I did not write. What the mistake I'm doing? So initially, what is that range sales? Raw data. Raw data. See,
Hmm.
now it is sales. Got it? A1 to D. Okay, from initially I explain you. See, initially, what was the range? So initially it will be A1, A D. So it will from till here it will print 10. Understood? See, A1 to D10. C10, it printed 10.
Okay.
It is what the format is date, so it is automatically coming like this. Here the format is what dollar, so it is automatically coming like this. Understood? To loop through the particular range, we are using like this.
Okay.
So each cell, whatever range we are giving, all the range it will go. First A1, second A2, like that till this one it will get selected. Hmm? Okay, next